Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I am here with a mall haul. So, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I broke my foot last February, and just recently in the past, like 2 or 3 months, I've been going to Morgantown, and going to a doctor there to get my foot fixed, where my arch collapsed. They did, I can't show you, I can't lift my leg that high. They did take my cast off, and I'm supposed to be in a walking boot, and I'm supposed to wear it all the time when I'm up walking around, but I don't. I'm really bad at following directions and stuff like that. But yeah, I have it off right now, but I'm just sitting, so it's not that big of a deal. But I will be in that for 4 weeks, and then I go back and get another brace on and start my therapy. Anyways, when we were there this time, I usually go with my uncle. He's the one that's been taking me to and from. And then this time my cousin went because he loves Chinese food. And we ate at this huge Chinese buffet. So he went with us. But before we did any of that, we went to the Morgantown Mall. It was a very nice mall. I had never been. I did expect it to be bigger from what people have told me. But they had some really cool shops, and I got some things from a couple different places, so I thought I would just show you. Also, 3 of these things I got from my mall here at home, but I thought I'd add them in, because you know, why not? Alright, so we're going to start with Bath & Body Works. I think that's the first place I went. That's why the first place I went was Sephora. But we'll start with Bath & Body. So the first thing I got was this candle. It's the white caramel cold brew candle. And first of all, I'm obsessed with the packaging. It is stunning. Like, definitely when this candle's gone, I'm going to be saving this packaging because it's so pretty. And I've already been burning it. It's actually, I just blew it out. You can't see the smoke on the camera, but I just blew it out so I could bring it over here for this video. But it smells so good. The scent is so strong. It smells like, well, caramel coffee. It smells amazing. I am obsessed with it. A lot of people in my family don't like coffee scented candles and stuff, but I'm obsessed. And this one smells so sweet. It's like, it reminds me more of hot chocolate and not just coffee. It smells like a latte or something, you know? It smells so good. I'm definitely going to probably run and grab a second one of those while they're still in store because I love it so much, or order it online or something because it smells amazing. Alright, so then I got these at my Bath & Body Works during the semi-annual sale. They were the winter scents, and I got them for 75% off. So I got 2 for like $6 something. So they're both body lotions. The first one is the Snowy Morning scent, which smells so good. It has notes of frosted bergamot, mistletoe berry, fresh balsam, snow-kissed lavender, and frozen juniper. And it smells so good. Like, it's literally like frosted berries. It smells so amazing. I love the scent so much. Hi, Angel. Do you want up? Nope, you're running away. Alright, so then the second one I got is the Snowflakes in Cashmere. I love the packaging of these. Let me put this one closer so you can see it. The packaging is gorgeous. They did have a winterberry scent, but I didn't get that one because I thought those two smelled, this one and that one, the snowberry, smelled so similar, and I just preferred the Snowy Morning. But this one has notes of cashmere cream, shimmering vanilla, frosted clementine, amber, and caramel woods. This one's my favorite. It smells amazing. I can't even like describe the scent to you. I do get the vanilla mostly of it. I get a little bit of caramel, but not much, and a touch of the cashmere, but mainly vanilla. I feel like that's the main scent in it. I've been using this one, I think, No, I haven't. I've been using this one the most because since my cast came off, where my cast was for 6 weeks, my whole heel is like cracked and dry, and I'm trying to get like a lot of moisture back in, so I'm applying a lot of lotion throughout the day and then just putting heavy socks on so it can like soak in. But yeah, so then I went to Books A Million and I got my boys. I picked up the Why Don't We in the Limelight book. I love Why Don't We so much. They're like, oh, they're my pride and joy right now. They're like my latest obsession. I just love them so much. I'm obsessed with them. Like, can't even tell you how much I love them. I'm slightly fangirling right now, if you can't tell. Just look at their cute little faces. I just love them so much. And I've not started reading this yet, but I'm going to start soon. There's Zach. I just love them so much. But I had to get it, and I didn't want to like order it off Amazon and wait, so I waited till I went to the mall and just picked it up. And I'm so happy to have it. Alright, moving on. I didn't buy this next one. There's a store in there called Lids. It's a locker room. It's Locker Room by Lids, I guess. And I didn't go in. I went over to Charlotte Russe, and my cousin went in. And one of my favorite football teams is the Patriots, just because I think Rob Gronkowski is really cute, and I'm obsessed with him. I think he's like really hot. He's got a really nice butt. But my cousin got me this hat because he didn't give me anything for Christmas, so he picked it up for me. I didn't know he was going to do it, but he did, and I was really happy with it. When he first gave it to me, I didn't realize he was giving it to me. Like, I just thought he was letting me look at it. I was like, oh, that's nice, and then I just gave it back to him, and then we got in the car, and he's like, this is yours, and I'm like, oh, okay, thanks. But yeah, it's a really nice hat. I don't wear hats very much, but, you know, maybe I'll start just to wear this hat, because why not, you know? Alright, what's next? Alright, the last place I went was, well, it was actually the first place, but the last place I'm showing you, was Sephora. I needed new mascara, but I prefer to look at the different wands and stuff, like, in store, so I didn't want to buy it offline. So I picked it up, and then I got a couple other things. So I ended up getting the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. I've never tried this mascara, so I hope I like it. The one I wanted, they didn't have. They were out. Which one was I gonna get? I don't even remember. But this is the packaging. I think it's really pretty. The two mascaras I've been using from TJ Maxx, I've had for about 4, maybe 5 months now, and they're getting really clumpy and like really irritating my eyes because I have a lot of fallout from them that's going in my eyes, and it's really uncomfortable. So I decided to try this one out. I liked the packaging. Yeah. So then this was kind of a Tarte day, I guess. Everything I got from there was from Tarte. But I picked up the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Concealer. I wanted the Shape Tape, but this Sephora didn't sell it. So I just got this because I needed concealer desperately. And I got the color Fair Light. This is the packaging. I love the packaging. And I'm not going to swatch it because I don't want to waste a lot of product. But the wand is huge. Like, it's freaking huge. And this concealer smells really nice, just a side note. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try and try it out. I think it's going to take me a while to get used to the wand because it's so large, you know. But through time, I will get used to it. And then I thought I was done, but as I was checking out, of course, I saw the little checkout queue thing, like lines they have at Sephora. And they had this. It was $10, so I thought it was a good deal, and it's from Tarte again. I was having a Tarte day, and it's the, what do you call it? It's the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush, and it was in the color First Class. I love this line of blushes. I think they're gorgeous blushes, and they like work amazing with my skin and everything. And this is a color I'd never tried, so thought I'd give it a try. It's a nudie pink. And then it had a little travel size of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I thought I would try. I've never tried this one either. It's in a nice wood packaging. And yeah. So I grabbed those, you know, because those things always get me. I think they get almost everyone. But yeah, that's everything I got. This was not the video for today. I was going to do my video on my homemade, what's it called? My homemade brush cleaner, like for my makeup brushes, and show you how I clean my brushes. But it turns out we're on a boiling water advisory or something. We have been for the last couple days. I was hoping it would be lifted by now, but it's not. So we're still putting up with it. And I didn't want to use my bottled water on my makeup brushes. Like, I mean, it would have been fine, but I need the water for other things, like watering the dogs and stuff. So I didn't want to worry about cleaning my makeup brushes right now when it could be put off for a while. So yeah, we're also getting a crap ton of snow today. We're apparently supposed to get 5 inches of snow. They were calling all together for 8, but I don't know if we're getting that much. Just today we're supposed to get 5, and it's supposed to snow tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see how things go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, I'm going to get off here and start cleaning my house because it needs it. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.